Do you want to record both back and front camera at the same time on the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max? Now I have the back camera here, and we have a front camera at the bottom. And when I am recording, it will keep record at the same time. Now, in order to have this, you need to download the application called Revo. You need to download it in the App Store. Just go ahead and go into the App Store and search for Revo. And now just go down a bit, you can find it called dual camera split video Revo. Just go ahead and download it. So when you open it, you have many options. You have suite, you have PIP, which means that it is picture-in-picture mode. We have small right here, and then we have big at the bottom. And we have split if you want half and half. We have back camera on the top and front camera at the bottom. And then if you want to switch it, just move my front camera to the top. We have upload, we have web. You can go ahead and try it out. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.